Okay, welcome back with another video. I hope you're okay. Today I got a new video, and the video is how you can upload free video. There was different app, guys. I'm going to teach you, and it's free. You don't need to post your face, you don't need to do like copyright video. Normally people, they're just confused. You know why they're confused? They are going to bring video from TikTok to their YouTube. Again, when they just get monetization, YouTube time, they look those videos, they are from TikTok, then they drop. Thank you very much. If you are new, please subscribe, like and comment. Guys, let us start our video. I'm going to show you. The app I'm going to show you all are free. You don't need to pay anything. The first is government website, NASA. NASA is the best app that, like the way you see, is the best app. You can get very free videos without not paying anything and no copyright for those videos, and you can get monetized for your channel. NASA, you go to your Google. If you use your phone or you use your PC or you use whatever you are using, laptop, go now to any browser you are using, type www.us government. So when you type .us government, right there it's gonna pop up. Those is free app. Again, you're going to get everything you want from there. You can download all those videos and repost it to your channel without any copyright. Or you go to NASA. NASA is a free also. You can download anything you want from NASA. It's free. You don't need to pay anything. You don't need to do anything. This all video you see here, I see all these videos you see here is free, and they're so nice. You see the way they just look, very nice. It's just only you download this video to your any browser, like in your laptop or in your PC or in your phone, whatever you are using. Then you take any app, again you're editing your video, maybe CapCut or whatever it is. You join all those videos, like 10-minute video if you want, like 20 minutes if you want, 1 hour if you want. You just bring together all those videos. After that, when you know all the video you bring in one place, then you publish. NASA is a free app. You don't need to pay anything. You don't need to do anything. The video also, they're so nice. You see the quality of the video, the way they look is very nice. I myself, I like, and sometimes I use, but I don't use to this channel. I use my other channel, some videos, 1 or 2, I just take from there, then I just post. But if you want to use to your channel, the whole channel, this is the app you can use. The second app I'm going to tell you, the second app is called Pod 5. This Pod 5 also is free. You can get all type of video you want. You can get anything. It's not only editing app. You can get even videos on there. All type of videos that you want, you can just upload and start using. So guys, this is free. You don't need to pay anything. So try to use, for especially those people that don't want to show their face, or they don't have any video they can publish on their channel and they want to do YouTube. So these are app free. You can get video without not pay anything and no copyright. That's, I'm telling you, these all websites are free. And the third one is Paxson. Paxson also is free app also. You can download this app on your phone or in your PC or in your laptop, whatever you're using. Then you can get videos there. All type of video that you want is free. You don't need to pay anything. You don't need to do anything. It's just only to download and look the type of video that you want. Then when you select, go. That's only you do. And the fourth one is PixiePack. PixiePack also same like that. It's free app. You don't need to do anything. You don't want to change anything. Just the only app that you can go and download only the video. When you download the video, that's it. You don't need to add anything or delete anything. Or free, guys. What do I know? People normally they like free things, so this is free. So what do you want to pay? Do you want to go to the pay apps or do you want to go to the free apps? Because as human beings, normally, let us say the truth, we like free things. So this is free. You don't need to pay anything.
I guess the solution is simple, right? Why don't we just give them the money?
So, and normally, let me tell you, this, you see, these big YouTubers, half of them, they use those apps to go to pick some 2 to 3 video and add on their video. Some of them even, they sit and they talk in front of the camera while they're just using the background or intro or whatever they just do on their video through using this. And you can get all this up, even if what is called Paxson. This Paxson you can get also even on Canva. If you're using Canva, you can get this what's called Paxson. So this app also on Canva is joined with Canva. So please check there. You can get anything you want from that app. Videos, guys, they are so sweet, those videos if you see it. But the issue is, do you know how to use? So both, I know many people, when you tell them that this is free, they say like you are telling them you are lying to them or this. Or you can go to GPT, those apps also that are there. You can get shorts if you want to make intro as well on those apps, then you can get. So guys, this is very important to you. I say like, let me share with you today. So please and please guys, if you're new for our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and share the video. And let me tell you one thing guys, try to collect those videos, then even do live stream. You know, in live stream, when you collect those videos, you make like 1 hour or 2 hour, whatever you want, then you do like live stream and you go right. So you take those videos, you post it as a live stream, then you cut through on live stream, then you keep posting and posting and posting. You can post it a lot video and get paid from YouTube on different ways. And again, you can get your watching hour, or you can get subscribe, you can get a lot of things. So this is another way you can grow up without not even investing a lot of money, without not doing a lot of things. This is the free apps guys. I'm ready here to help you, and please take this app, listen what I'm telling you, do the way I'm telling you. These apps are free, especially as long as it's government website like US government. If you go to your browser and write US government, you can get a lot of videos will come there. Then those videos are free. They are not just copyrighted, so you can use it. You can use NASA, it's free. You see the way it is, it's free. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? You don't want to grow up. What are you waiting for? You keep asking like, why my YouTube doesn't grow? Why I'm not getting viewers? Why I'm not getting subscribers? It's you, it's your fault. I'm going to say that it's your fault. So do this, whatever I'm teaching, do this. You are going to get a lot subscribers from there. You can go and get a lot of millions. I know a lot of channels now, they get millions and millions viewers through from those videos. So please try to do also you, because it's free. What are you waiting for? If it's free, enjoy it. Thank you very much guys. See you next video. Bye bye.